Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, maximizing storage space is a common challenge in modern homes, especially in a small apartments or compact bedrooms. Storage bed cots, also known as storage beds, are an excellent solution combining comfort with functionality. These beds come in various styles and mechanisms, offering hidden storage without taking up extra floor space. Here are some of practical and stylish storage bed cots design ideas to consider. First of all, hydraulic lift-top beds. One of the most popular storage solutions is the hydraulic lift-top bed. These beds allow the entire mattress base to be lifted with minimal effort, revealing a spacious compartment underneath. It's perfect for storing seasonal items, extra bedding, or luggage. The hydraulic mechanism is smooth and easy to use, making it ideal for daily access. On the second number, drawers style storage beds. Beds with built-in drawers on the sides or at the foot of the bed are another excellent option. These drawers are ideal for organizing clothes, shoes, or accessories. Some designs offer drawers on both sides, maximizing capacity. This style is great for rooms with enough clearance around the bed to pull drawers out comfortably. On the third number, box storage beds. Box storage beds have compartments under the mattress that you can access by removing the top. While they don't have hydraulic lift system or drawers, they are more budget friendly. This type works well for items you don't need to access frequently. On the fourth number, headboard storage beds. Utilize vertical space by choosing a bed with a headboard that includes shelves or cabinets. This area is great for storing books, decor, or nighttime items essentials.